Hi, welcome to Regional Stocks, Forex and Futures with Jonathan. Today is 9th of November 2014. Now, this is going to be a short one as I'm going to be driving out of town in a very short while. So I hope I can give you this as fast as I can in as short time as possible, because let me just share with you what I'm looking at. Last week, we have basically not much of an event, non-farm payroll. Dow Jones on Friday closed positive 20. Next week, take a look. No, not next week. This week, look at the calendar. It's a quiet week. Why? Because on Tuesday is a Veterans Day. Market is being quiet. There's some holidays, but not only that. If you take a look, not only US holiday, Canada is a bank holiday, but Europe, France is a holiday. But if you take a look at now, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday is actually quite quiet. So there's really nothing much in the market. But looking at the charts, you'll be finding it very surprisingly, because in a chart, if you take a look, nothing much. If you see it on the futures chart, you won't see much. Okay, you won't see much. But I will share with you, as I was looking at the chart on Friday, I got really excited, because this week should be a a lot of trading week. Okay, now perhaps the market is quiet this week based on news wise, because next week is also option expiration, so which means next week should be a very volatile week, but we should have a lot of trading this week. Now let me share with you why. Now if you take a look at Dow Jones, okay, let me share with you Dow Jones. That's Dow Jones. Look at it. Candle looks nice, candle looks okay. Remember, this is a future chart. Nasdaq looks okay, nothing much. But if I share with you DIA, this is the ETF that tracks, okay, ETF that tracks Dow Jones. You see the candle body size, SPY. Look at the candle body size. Now QQQ, for those of you trading options, these are not a surprise. Look at the candle body size, especially on the Nasdaq. Okay, you notice the candles are just a little bit weird, so-called weird. Like you see the weird candles body size around here before the big fall off. So pay attention to the weird candle body size. Now do remember, whatever I share is just my personal opinion. If you like to trade, please consult authorized broker reminder, because I'm not a authorized broker reminder. I'm just a full-time trader watching the market, giving you market analysis moving forward. I don't give you analysis market looking backward, because I mean this way. You should have shorted here, you should have bought here. Yeah, I tell you that for what? Isn't it? Money can't be made from there. Money is made next week, moving forward. Not last year, not 1 year, and so on. So, that's me. Sorry, blabbering. But let me share with you. No, I can't share with you on that. Let me see whether I can find this. Okay, for those of you having historical chart, you may want to take a look at 2007, okay, July. Okay, 2007 July. This is not the cash. This is a future chart, so I can't describe it here unless you have the cash chart. Okay, I don't have a chance to open the cash chart with me right now, because I got another chart that gives me a cash chart, but it's a pro real time. So, but you get the meaning. I'm trying to rush this off because I'm late for my appointment. I need to be in Genting Highlands at about 3 o'clock, and I'm rushing this because I need to upload this, and it takes a long time. Okay, so do remember, now you get what I mean. Okay, I'm rushing short of time, so you check the chart. Okay, now it is a reminiscence of what happened. I'm not sure whether I can show you. Maybe this I can show you. Yeah, I can show you this. Apple. Remember Apple, when they were talking about Apple before the split, they say Apple is going to go all the way up. See the candle here? Quite small. Okay, candle size very small before the plunge. Now I'm not saying this week or next week the market is going to plunge. No, I'm just saying that the market can go higher, but if you're thinking about longing, be very cautious, because the market is not behaving exactly that right. Can go higher, so watch your position very closely. Now, why am I saying this week is going to be a really exciting week? Take a look at it. Nikkei, nothing much. Okay, came down. Nothing much. But if you take a look at the chart, on a weekly chart, there are a lot of signs on the weekly chart. Take a look. Okay, take a look at Germany. Weekly. Oh, come on, weekly. Okay, you notice that if I open up the chart later, you notice that a lot of tails, a lot of shadows, and most of it are upper shadows signifying selling pressure. Okay, now let me share with you. I'll share with you a jump a little bit. Nothing much. Gold. Nothing much. But if you take a look on a weekly candle, look at how beautiful a bullish reversal candle right here. Okay, gold. Not only in gold, but also in, come on. Silver. Not as bullish as gold, but nonetheless also a bullish reversal candle. Take a look at euro dollar. Nothing much. But you look at the weekly candle, tails. Take a look at pound. Not on a weekly candle, but pound is on the daily candle. Okay. Not only that, take a look at come on. Dollar Canadian. Nothing much. Been watching this. So by the way, disclaimer, I have a short position already in dollar CAD. But take a look at the weekly candle. Okay. Now, not only that, but it also look at a lot of cross pairs. Especially, let me see if I can find one. Euro yen, come on, euro yen. Okay, euro yen. That's on the daily candle. Euro yen on the daily candle. Okay, a lot of pairs, a lot of currencies trade this week. So I expect this week to be a very busy week, even though the market is quiet, because there's a lot of trading signals. Not only that, Shanghai. Did you notice on Shanghai, Friday formed a bearish reversal candle on Shanghai? So I'm watching this week market very, very closely. This week in Jakarta Composite, remember I told you the last few weeks. Well, for those of you in my inner circle, you understand why I'm talking about the Jakarta Composite. I didn't give a lot of stock tips because it's just not worth to enter any stocks. Provided on other markets, you can short. But since Jakarta market, you can't short, why give a high risk tips, isn't it? So I look after my inner circle. Okay, so if you take a look, you will notice right now it is forming a really, really nice head and shoulder, and it's beautiful. It's really, really beautiful. Now the neckline you should be watching is this. If it ever falls down, this is not a good sign. So I can't give you this level because this is a rising trend line. The numbers change every day, but you can draw this chart, you can see the chart. Right now, if you ever break this, the head and shoulder is in play. Okay, been telling you, if you watch my YouTube, I've been telling you it's forming a head and shoulder. Watching this out right now, and nicely the market came down. In fact, not a lot of trades to be able to make in Jakarta. Okay, so if you'd like to join me, my website WCA Charting Academy. Do remember to join my mailing list and also like the Facebook. But do remember, right now, even though there are not much trade to be able to make in a Jakarta Composite or Jakarta stocks, but there are so many trades that you can make in index, forex, and also in commodities. So last week on Friday, managed to took this trade. The latest money pot upgrades now trades in multiple time frame, allows you to screen from 1 minute all the way to monthly chart, although I don't trade with 1 minute and 5 minute or weekly or monthly, but it has the capability of doing that. So the upgrades, one is tested in real time, real money, it will be released to inner circle. So remember, overall summary, market right now could be coming into a week. This could be a quiet week, but there will be a lot of potential trades to be made. getting ready for next week, option expiration week. So it should be a very volatile week next week. Okay, so I'll see you again, and you be safe in your trading. Thank you.